Most people look at setbacks and failures like it's the end of the world. But really it's giving you feedback on what didn't work, and then you simply adjust your course. We learn from our failures, not our successes. If someone tells you no in your business, will you quit? If you're diagnosed with cancer, will you fight for your life or accept death? If you get fired from your job, and you have a family, will you figure out how to make the money? Or will your family starve? A setback is simply feedback on what you need to change. A setback is simply a part of life, and it will either teach you a valuable lesson or it will cripple you. So what will it be? Will you fight back, or quit? You need to think of yourself as the lion, and you're hunting the gazelle. If you don't catch the gazelle, your family doesn't eat. Life will deal you plenty of lemons in your journey, but with the right outlook, you can turn it into lemonade. There is no such thing as failure if you don't accept the setbacks as failure. Want to see more videos like this? Click the subscribe button below.